Morning OP members, this is Michael, otherwise known as the Rice Pirate from Penang, Malaysia. Many of you have seen me on the chats, and you've also seen me in the forums on optionsplayers.com, and also probably know that I teach a course, and many of you have been through the basic training course that we've gone through the last several months. I wanted to very quickly show a couple of trades that I made last night, which would be your day today, on the the 7th of March. Made some good trades and actually had a loss. So many have heard of the Green Goose system that we teach in the OP basic training course. The Green Goose has an overnight play every day, either calls or puts, and on Monday the system told us to go with calls. Unfortunately, we opened lower, we gapped down, and we had to manage that a little bit, but for some reason I saw something happening and I just kind of held on to those things, decided to actually go more on the hourly basis. So those Green Goose calls, we were actually in 13 SPY 310 238 calls. I bought them for 73 cents. Eventually I closed them at 1034 when we closed the gap. This is actually the 5-minute chart. I closed the gap here, and I closed those actually for a loss. It is what it is. The Green Goose system is not successful every time. It is most of the time, but it was definitely not successful today. However, that said, I had a great opportunity for some scalps today, and just wanted to note that when I see a few things happening in the marketplace, when we're below the Bollinger Band, which is this kind of this line right here, and we get a green candle that's coming up, that's a signal for me that it could be going up. I draw a bottom channel, and then I eventually draw a top channel, and what I want to see that go up to the red line there, which is the 10 simple moving average. So at 9:50 a.m. I did go into 100 SPY 308, so March 08 237.50 calls. They were just below at the money. Bought those for 27 cents. Indeed, we hit the 10 SMA right around 10:07, and I closed those things for 37 cents. So I had a 10-cent profit, so basically $1,000 minus commission. The next trade I made actually is I was waiting then at that moment to see if it would bounce on the VWAP, because we'd gone above the VWAP, and then also get past that 10 SMA. So I went in again at 10:20 a.m. I bought another 100 SPY March 8th 237.50 calls for 38 cents. And with a target, actually the target I had was actually to fill the gap. So the second it filled that gap, I wanted to get out of those things, and that happened actually at 10:34. The calls were worth at that point 57 cents. So I took 19 cents profit there, so $1,900. So all in all, it was a pretty successful day. These are really the only trades I'm in made for the day. I wanted to get a little bit of sleep because the market is open during my night time, so I got to get a little bit of sleep time. Just wanted to point out a couple of things to you guys on options players in the forum. We do have a couple of things that are posted that I wanted to call your attention to. So you go into the forum, and sorry, we can get this Screen-O-Matic right and working right. If you go into the forum and you go into general, you're going to see the second one down. You're going to see OP basic training course. The basic training course, the third round actually starts this coming Friday, so you can actually go through this and take a look at what we're going to be doing. But what I wanted to point out to you is in this posting, we do have the results of Green Goose from both of the previous courses. So you can just click on one of those, and this is the result from. Let's see if I can get this bigger. We can get the results of that Green Goose system that we posted. We went through, we ground through every day during the course of the 6 weeks. We ground through that. Had successes, some failures. We posted every single one of them, and the end of that course, of the first course, the total result of that account, which was originally $5,000, we doubled it. Okay, we doubled it right here. We doubled it at 10,685. The second round of the course didn't do as well. We got about a 75% return on our account. But in general, what we're doing is we're grinding through that system every day. We're showing what it is. You guys are looking over my shoulder how I trade it, and how we enter, what the entry rules are, what the exit rules are, and how I exit. So hopefully we'll see some people on that course. Again, it starts on Friday evening at 8:30 p.m. I believe. If you want any information, please email steve@optionplayers.com to register. We still have quite a few spots left, or at least a couple of spots left. The more the merrier. We try to make this as interactive as possible and teach you guys what it takes to be a professional trader and trade a system. Thanks much.